Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the windshield wipers on the Tesla Model Y. The same would apply for a Tesla Model 3. This is recorded on the Tesla Model Y 2023 model. So it might be a bit confusing at first because at least I'm used to having the right hand stalk control the wipers, like for example on a BMW it would work like that. But here we have the reverse and drive and park and that stuff on this right hand stalk. So going to the left hand stalk, we can see that there's a wiper icon here, so you can do a short press to get one wipe or a long press, and it will use the spray and spray your windshield and wiper a bit longer, but that actually wouldn't leave the wipers on. So what you can do is give a short press, and on the screen you will see the controls for the wipers, and it stays only for I'm pressing again to see the settings. So I can change here to setting 1, so low speed, medium speed, high speed, or then I can go to automatic, which would then automatically turn on the wipers if there's rain. But yeah, in all conditions that doesn't work that well. But you can also see that there are a few arrows around this wheel setting. So when you first press once on the button here, then you can use the, so now I'm going to setting 4, 3, 2, 1 and off. So that might be the easiest way of controlling the wipers. But there's also a different option. So you can press on the car icon here, and then you get over to the controls here, and over here you have the windshield wiper settings as well, so we can turn it to auto or number 3 or so on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. If you want to see more of my Tesla tip videos, go check out this one next. Thanks for watching.